Hi dear students, today we are going to do another discussion. You can see this paper and we are here discussing the question 11 to 12, right? So let's dive into this, and this is from Royal College, Kalam 7, grade 10. So I think this is going to be a good support for you in your term test that is coming up, right? So if you are new to my channel, you can consider subscribing, and you can like my videos, comment if you have any idea. Uh, you can comment below and share with your friends, and that's going to support my channel too. By the way, I do my classes there in Nikambu, so you can join there if you are interested. So let's start this paper, right? This is the paper we are going to do, and this is question number 11. According to the data given in the figure, find value of x. In this case, you can see something like this. This is 90 degrees, so um, you can make this construction line, and also you see this PQ and RS are parallel, therefore uh, this angle should also be 90 degrees, then this is also 90 degrees, and this one therefore going to be 40 plus, and actually this angle plus 40 should be 90, therefore this has to be 50 degrees, right? And then what this means. X is 180 minus 50, which is equal to 130. And also you can get it in the other way, and there's another theorem something like this. If you get this one, and you have this angle, and you have here 90, and this is 40, and also this x is going to be, x is equal to 40 plus 90, and you can apply this theorem, and also that way also you can get the right answer, that is 130 degrees. So this is the answer, right? I hope you understand how to do this, and because I'm going to do this quickly and all while covering all the parts that are required, so I think this is going to support you. Okay, let's go to the next question, right? A minus ax minus bx plus b factorized. We have to factorize here. You can take a out here, and 1 remains here, and a minus x is there, right? And here you get minus b and x minus 1, right? You can do it this way, minus b, and then x remains. You can't put plus 1 here, because it's minus 1 into minus 1 is plus sorry, in minus b into 1, minus b into minus 1 is plus b. You see this one, minus b into minus 1 is plus b. If you put plus here, this is going to be minus b into 1, then it's going to be minus b, therefore we have to write minus 1 here, and then you get something like this. Actually, this factorizing is not here so easy, because this one is this 1 minus x, here you have x minus 1, therefore you have to change this sign. You can do it like this: a 1 minus x is here, minus you can take you can put plus here, plus b into 1 minus x. You can do it this way, right? You can always remember this one. So if you have something a minus b, which is equal to minus b minus a, you know how this makes. Minus into b is minus b, and minus into minus a is plus a, then it's going to be a minus b. This is basically same, right? You get the same thing, right? So therefore we did the same thing here. We just changed the sign here, x minus 1 into 1 minus x, while changing this sign of b, right? So here then you can take 1 minus x out, and you get a plus b here. So these are the factors of this expression. And in this case you can solve this question for 5 minus x equals 8. So therefore you can divide both sides by 4, and then you get 5 minus 8 is equal to 2, and you can put x to the other side. You can take x here and you can take 2 here, and that means 5 minus 2 is equal x, then x is equal to 3, right? Okay, the perimeter of a rectangular flower bed is 45 meters. Now rectangular flower bed is something like this, and find the length of it if the width is 8.1 meter. You can see something like this. Width is 8.1 meter, and then this has to be also 8.1 meter, and therefore you add these two, 8.1 plus 8.1, that means you get 16.2 meter. Then the both lengths, you can say L and L. The 2L should be something like 45 minus 16.2, which is equal to 28.8, right? Then 2L is this one, so you can divide both sides by 2, and then you can find L. So L is equal to 14.4 meters, right? So I guess actually I believe you understand. This has to be like this if this is a rectangle, right? And in this case ABCD is a rectangle, so if it is a rectangle we will mark this one, right? You can mark this. So this has been given AE is equal to AB or something like this, and you can mark these things if it's a rectangle, right? If AE equals AB, AE equals AB, ABE is 75 degrees. Find the value of DAE. DAE, DAE. For that, this part DAB is 90 degrees, and you have to find only this angle. Then you can add that to 90. Then you will find the angle. And this is an isosceles triangle. ABE is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, this has to be 75 degrees too. So, and also the sum of all three interior angles is equal to 180. Therefore, you can see we can write this x. X plus 75 plus 75 is equal to 180. Therefore, x plus 150 is equal to 180, and you get x is equal to 180 minus 150. Therefore, you get x is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore, you have to find DAE. So DAE is equal to DAB plus x, which is equal to 90 plus 30, and here you get 120 degrees, right? So I believe you understand this, and I think you should watch these things again and again, so you can do this a few times, and you can have good kind of practice actually. That is going to help you in your term test and answering all these questions accurately and faster. Find the value of 3x plus 5y when x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 over 3. So you can do it like this: 3x plus 5y is equal to 3, x is equal to 2 plus 5, y is equal to 1 over 3. I suggest you to do this bracket thing whenever you substitute some value, because there are sometimes there are signs minus and plus, And in order to get this clearly and not to get any confusion, you should always use this kind of brackets. That's my suggestion, right? So 3 into 2 is 6 plus this 5 into 5 over 3, and then you can do this common you can make this common denominator, so you can multiply by 3, and there also you can multiply by 3 and plus 5 over 3, so this is equal to 18 over 3 plus 5 over 3, which is equal to 18 plus 5 over 3, and then you get 23 over 3. So this is the answer, right? And let's go to the next part. And in the circle with center O, radius is 5 centimeters, OX is 4 centimeters. Find the length of the chord AB. We can find AB. AB is equal to AX. 2AX is equal to AB. So this is what you have to understand, and you can make this construction line, and this is AO. And here if this is the center point, X is the center point, you can see that X is the center point of AB chord. If it is the center point, then this OX is always perpendicular to AB when X is the center point of AB. So therefore you can apply this what is it, if this Pythagoras theorem. OA is the radius, right? OA is the radius, which is 5 centimeters. And then you can see this Pythagoras theorem. So OA squared is equal to OX squared plus AX squared. Therefore you have to find AX squared, which is equal to OA squared minus OX squared, which is equal to 5 squared minus 4 squared. Then it is 25 minus 16, and you get 9. AX squared is 9. Then you find AX is root 9, which is equal to 3. AX is 3. So AB is 2AX, which is equal to 2 into 3, which is equal to 6 centimeters. So this is the answer you have to give here. Yes, students, here you have to shade the region that belongs to P intercept Q dash, right? So you can see this. You can get P intercept Q, and you have to find the dash of it. So P intercept Q is this one, and you have to highlight. You have to shade the intercept of that. So therefore you have to highlight everything apart from this part, right? Therefore you have to find this one. You have to shade this region. This is the area you have to shade, right? So I think you understand this. This is a very simple concept, right? In this case, write the remaining part that must be equal to be PQR and ABC triangles to be congruent, and state the case of congruency. In this case, you have two angles which are equal, and you can just give one. There are two sides which are equal, right? There are two sides which are equal, and you can give one angle, right? This. So you easily see that side angle, this side angle, side, and you can come up with this S. S. This is the state of congruency, and you can mark this, the remaining part, which is something like this R. This maybe P R P Q equals C A B. So I think these are the answers, right? So actually this is the first part. The first part is this one, and the second answer is this one, right? Yes, I think you already understand this one. This is very simple. This is the state of SA. S means side, A means angle, and the other S means the other side, right? In SAS case, the angle should be between the two equal sides. In this case, PBQ is a straight line, and you can see this ABC is 60 degrees, and we write the pair of complementary adjacent in angles, the figure. Okay, let's find it. First we can find this angles. I get we'll find this 60 plus x plus 3x is equal to 180, and 60 plus 4x is equal to 180, then 4x is equal to 180 minus 60, then you get 140. 4x is equal to actually is 120, right? This has to be 120. So x is equal to, you can say 4x is equal, you can divide by 4, and 120 divided by 4, and then you get x is equal to 30 degrees, right? In this one we have found that x is equal to 30 degrees. So 3x means now it is 90 degrees, and x means again 30 degrees. So you have to actually find a pair of complementary adjacent angles in this figure. So see this these two x and 60 are adjacent, and also they are complementary. Therefore we can take this so P, B, A and A, B, C angles are complementary and adjacent. So this is the answer for this part, right? I think you understand all this, and also I thank you for watching this till the end. So in the next video we will discuss the other questions, and also you can comment if you have any idea about my videos and lessons, and also explanations for the lessons, and you can share with your friends. And if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe. And thank you for watching till the very end, and see you in the next video. So all the best for your term test.